we are about to create an offline map using LAN from 2nav. This is the LAN software, and we have a map window. In the map window we can load any kind of map, either the free versions or any purchased map. So we have a free map right now that we need to download it, and that will be loaded on the window. For a quick access, the selected map will be in the directory of the maps, so you don't have to search all the time. You can keep it as a reserve here, and once we go into the location of the selected area, by zooming you can see a lot of features of the particular map. This needs internet connectivity, and then the whole features will be loaded, and these are the pre-loaded markers here. Now if I wanted to make this as an offline map, I need to select the particular area which I wanted to make it offline, and then I can go for the toolbar. In the toolbar I have a lot of options, so I am going for the select toolbar. Using the select toolbar I can select a particular area. This depends on the requirement. If you want a smaller area, you can go for the smaller area, or if you want a bigger area, you can go for a bigger area. And once you drag, you will see the maximum zoom option and the current zoom option. So if you are going for a maximum zoom option, you will have an accurate and exact features. And once you are about to export, you will see features like the existing points are also included in that. If you want to, you can use them, or if you want, you can skip them. And once this is done, you see the background is proper, and the map which we have selected has come out from the whole map. Now if you want to change or export, I can just send this to the device which I have connected. It can be a 2nav cross or Aventura. So after this I can directly take it the GPS, and then I can load the same in that, and then once I open the same location in the GPS, I can see the whole map along with the features. In the previous, you see the map is fixed to the whole map. Now it has come out, and this got separated from the map. So this is an offline map now.